This is me, getting checkmated by an AI chessbot I built. But how does a large language model play chess? To understand that, we need to rewind. I've seen a bunch of clips where people had ChatGPT play chess, and well, it didn't exactly shine.
As ChatGPT plays knight takes g5. Well, folks, queen takes h5 appears!
As you can see, ChatGPT tends to lose track of the board after a dozen moves. It starts suggesting moves that don't make sense, making invalid moves with a piece, or even worse, moving pieces that aren't there. But I wanted to build a chessbot using ChatGPT that could actually play a decent game against me. First thing first, I needed a way to play against my bot, but building a chess GUI from scratch? I really didn't want to do that, but fortunately I didn't have to. Let me present you my savior, Lichess. Lichess is a platform where you can play chess, solve puzzles, and even create your own bots. Perfect. So I started by making a bot account. Lichess has this super handy API that lets you do pretty much anything, from sending challenges to making moves in a game. For example, I wrote some code to have my bot challenge me to a match. Of course, at this point, the bot couldn't actually make any moves. So step 1, make it move. I started simple. The bot would pick a random legal move. Unsurprisingly, it wasn't very smart. Time to connect my bot to ChatGPT. I used this prompt. At first, it handled the opening moves pretty well, but then things went sideways. It started suggesting illegal moves. Clearly, a new approach was needed. I was using GPT-4o, which is great for conversations, but clearly not cut out for chess. So I switched to a different model, GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct. Surprisingly, this older model worked better. For the prompt, I used PGN format, the standard way to record chess games. PGN includes metadata, like player names and results, and lists all moves in the algebraic notation. And it worked. In the very next match, my bot actually beat me. Now I wouldn't call myself a strong player, but at least this proved that it could play a complete game. But how strong was it? I needed a way to measure its skill level. The best way? Make it battle against other bots. Lichess has a list of bots created by other users that I could challenge. So I selected a few and had my bot play 10 matches against each of them. Here is how it performed. Based on these results, my bot seems to be playing at around 1500 rating. Not bad for an AI that started out making illegal moves. Well, ChatGPT on its own isn't great at chess, but with the right approach it can play a solid game. That said, it's still nowhere near the level of real chess engines like Stockfish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.